Can a vending machine really become a business? Yes, it can. A vending machine can sell snacks, drinks, coffee, hygiene items, chargers, and other useful products without a shop attendant standing there. But this business is not just about buying a machine and waiting for money. The machine is only one part. The real business is choosing the right location, selling the right products, keeping the machine working, and managing your numbers properly. In this video, we will explain the vending machine business in a simple way. First, we will look at what the business is and how it works. Then we will go step by step through how to start it properly. By the end, you should understand what to do before buying a machine, how to choose products, how to get locations, how to manage costs, and how to grow without making expensive mistakes. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out on contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. What is a vending machine business? A vending machine business is a retail business where you place an automatic machine in a good location, and the machine sells products directly to customers. The customer walks up to the machine, selects what they want, pays with cash, card, or mobile payment, and the machine releases the product. It is like having a small shop that can serve people by itself. The business works in a simple way. You buy or lease a machine. You stock it with products. You place it where people can see it and use it. When people buy from the machine, you earn money from each sale. Your profit is what remains after you remove the cost of buying the products, location commission or rent, transport, repairs, payment fees, and other expenses. Why do people use vending machines? People use vending machines because they want convenience. Someone may be thirsty at work, hungry at school, tired at the hospital, or in a hurry at the airport. They do not want a long process. They want to pay quickly and get what they need. That is why vending machines work best in places where people are busy, waiting, working, studying, traveling, or exercising. There are three main pillars in a vending machine business. The first is the machine. The second is the product inside the machine. The third is the location. If the machine is bad, customers may not trust it. If the product is wrong, people will not buy. If the location is weak, the machine may stay full for weeks. All three must work together. Location is the most important part of this business. A machine in a quiet corner may make very little money. The same machine in a busy office, school, gym, hospital, transport station, or airport can make sales every day. Before you buy a machine, study where it can go. Do not buy first and start looking for location later. That is one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. How much can a vending machine make? One vending machine can make between $75 and $300 in monthly profit, depending on the machine type, products, location, pricing, and operating costs. In very strong locations, some machines can make more than $500 per month. But remember, this is profit, not total sales. A machine may sell many products, but you still need to remove your costs before you know what you truly made. What is the cost of starting a vending machine business? The cost of starting depends on the type of machine. A used machine may cost around $1,500 to $3,000. A new machine can cost around $3,000 to $10,000 or more, especially if it is a smart machine. You also need money for stock, delivery, installation, business registration, licenses, insurance, and possibly a cashless payment reader. Before we go into the step-by-step guide, remember that every business needs structure. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out on contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. How to start a vending machine business step by step. The first step is market research. Do not start by asking, what vending machine should I buy? Start by asking, where do people need quick access to products? Look at offices, schools, gyms, hospitals, hotels, malls, airports, train stations, universities, factories, and public buildings. These are places where people often need snacks, drinks, coffee, or simple everyday items. When you visit a possible location, watch how people move. Are there many people passing? Do they wait there? Do they work there every day? Do they have easy access to food, drinks, or shops nearby? A vending machine works better when it solves a real problem. If people already have many easy options, your machine may struggle. If your machine gives them something useful and convenient, it has a better chance. If there are already vending machines in the area, study them. What do they sell? Are people using them? Are some items always sold out? Are some items staying there for too long? This gives you clues. It can show you what customers like, what is missing, and what you can do better. Step 2. Choose your products. After research, choose what your machine will sell. You can sell snacks, bottled drinks, coffee, healthy snacks, personal care items, hygiene products, phone chargers, headphones, beauty products, or other niche items. The best product is not always the product you like. The best product is what the people in that location are likely to buy often. A gym may need water, protein bars, and healthy drinks. An office may need coffee, snacks, and bottled water. A school may need affordable snacks and drinks. An airport may need chargers, headphones, wipes, and travel items. Always match the product to the people around the machine. When the product and location match, sales become easier. Step 3. Write a simple business plan. A business plan helps you think clearly before spending money. It should show your target customer, machine type, product list, startup cost, expected sales, operating costs, location plan, and growth plan. The plan does not need to be complicated, but it must be clear. It should help you answer one question. Can this vending machine make profit after all costs are removed? Your numbers matter because sales are not the same as profit. You may sell many products but still make little money if your costs are too high. Add the cost of stock, transport, repairs, location commission, payment fees, and insurance. Then compare it with your expected sales. This helps you avoid starting blindly. If you need help organizing your business idea, entrepreneurs.ng has a comprehensive business plan template in the shop. Get it at https://entrepreneurs.ng/shop/. It helps you structure your idea, costs, market, and growth plan before you begin. A clear plan can save you from confusion and help you make better decisions. The next step is to register your business. Registration gives your business legal identity and makes you look more credible when speaking with property owners, suppliers, and partners. Some location owners may not take you seriously if your business is not registered. Registration shows that you are not just trying something casually. You are building properly. Depending on your location and what you sell, you may need vending permits, sales tax registration, food handling approval, or other local licenses. Rules are different from place to place, so check what applies in your country, state, or city before installing any machine. This protects you from fines, removal, or legal problems later. If you want help registering your business, entrepreneurs.ng can support you through business registration services. You can visit entrepreneurs.ng or reach out through contact@redalia.com. Starting right makes it easier to grow right. Step 5. Find good locations. After research and planning, you need to find good locations. This is where the business can succeed or fail. Good locations usually have foot traffic, repeat visitors, waiting time, and a clear need. Offices, schools, gyms, hospitals, hotels, factories, stations, and malls can all work when the product fits the people. When you approach a property owner or manager, do not just ask to place your machine there. Explain the value. Tell them the machine can serve their staff, customers, students, patients, visitors, or guests. It can make their space more convenient without them managing a shop. Some location owners may ask for a commission from sales. This can be around 5 to 20%. Others may ask for a flat monthly rent. Make sure the agreement is clear. It should explain where the machine will be placed, how long it will stay, what commission or rent will be paid, who handles electricity, and what happens if either side wants to end the agreement. Step 6. Buy or lease a vending machine. Once you understand your location and product, choose the machine. You can buy a new machine, buy a used machine, buy a refurbished machine, or lease one. New machines cost more but often come with better features and warranties. Used machines are cheaper but need careful inspection. Refurbished machines can be a middle option because they have been repaired and tested. Before buying, check the machine condition, age, payment system, cooling system, warranty, spare parts, and repair support. If possible, choose a machine that accepts cashless payments. Many customers now prefer card and mobile payments. If payment is easy, people are more likely to buy. Step 7. Stock and install the machine. After buying or leasing the machine, stock it with products that match the location. Do not fill the machine with random items. Start with products people are likely to buy quickly. Install the machine properly. Make sure it is clean, stable, visible, and easy to access. Test every button, every product row, and every payment option before customers use it. Step 8. Manage the machine. Once the machine starts working, your job continues. You need to restock it, clean it, check sales, fix problems, collect cash where needed, and monitor card payments. You should also track which products sell fast and which ones do not sell. Remove slow products and add better ones. The machine will show you what customers want if you pay attention. Step 9. Maintain and protect the machine. Maintenance is very important. Clean the machine regularly. Check the cooling system. Make sure the payment reader works. Fix small issues before they become big problems. Also think about security. Place machines in monitored areas when possible. Use strong locks. Reduce the amount of cash kept inside. Consider insurance for theft, damage, or liability. Step 10. Market the business. Marketing helps you get more locations and build trust. Create a Google business profile so local people can find you. Build a simple website that explains your vending services for offices, schools, gyms, hospitals, hotels, and other locations. You can also contact property managers directly. Send a simple pitch that explains how your vending machine can help their space and the people who use it. You can use social media to show your machines, products, locations, and customer feedback. You can also use digital advertising to reach office managers, gym owners, school administrators, hotel managers, and other decision makers. Step 11. Scale gradually. When one machine works well, you can add another machine. Then another. That is how the business grows into a vending route. But do not scale blindly. Grow with data. Add machines only when the numbers make sense. A few profitable machines are better than many machines in poor locations. Many successful operators start small and reinvest profit into more machines. This reduces the pressure of borrowing too much money at the beginning. As the route grows, you may need storage space, a delivery vehicle, route planning tools, or staff to help with restocking and maintenance. Is the vending machine business worth it? The vending machine business can be worth it if you treat it like a real business. It is simple to understand, but it still needs planning, good locations, good products, clean machines, proper records, and steady management. It is not automatic money. It is a business that rewards people who do the simple things well and keep doing them. We have a full vending machine business guide on entrepreneurs.ng. https://entrepreneurs.ng/vending machine business/. It goes deeper into the costs, profits, machine types, buying options, operations, marketing, and scaling. Click the link in the description and read the full guide before you buy any machine. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out on contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Subscribe to this channel, follow entrepreneurs.ng, and visit www.entrepreneurs.ng for more practical business education.